Hi friends, we arrived at Las Casetes del Garraf. It is another marvelous place close by to Barcelona. It took us only 30 minutes to come here by car, and it is a very easy to get here on a highway. Here you will find 33 houses that were built in earlier 19th century in 1906 or something like this, and were built specifically for fishermen to get the fish here and as well to stay away from the hot summer days. Then this place stayed preserved and maintained by the association who wanted to maintain the beauty of these houses because it is something that you won't find anywhere else close by to Barcelona. Uh, Here you have also a beach, a chiringuito, and restaurants to eat good food. So it is a great place to come along, not only to visit these beautiful houses, but also to enjoy your time by the sea. If you come here by car, then you have a parking slot. I'm not sure how much it costs, but I will let you know later. But you also can get here from Barcelona by train. The train, the direction to Sitges. The Garraf region is a part of Sitges region, so it is just at the beginning of Sitges. I really invite you to visit this place because it looks really lovely, and in summertime it is great to stay here, to stay away from the heat of Barcelona, and to enjoy some fishermen places. We are on our way back from Playa Garraf. We visited the Las Casetes del Garraf, very beautiful place. I really invite you to visit it as well. It is only 30 minutes from Barcelona driving by car, and as well there is an option to go by train from Sand Station. You can get your train to Sitges and to stop over Garraf. I invite you to subscribe to this channel, to push the like button on this video, and if you have any questions, please write down in the comments down below. We will be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching, and till the next time, bye.